To others, it might seem like, yo, it's cold, it's still dark in the morning when we leave. And, you know, God just tells me that enjoy me, bro. Enjoy this time. Um, Not basically saying my bro, but yeah, God is saying enjoy. And God is showing me that, you know, this is like I always say, this is not to, to point out anyone, but this is God restoring. You know, look at the bigger picture. God is telling me that she never had this, you know, what you are giving to her now. Walking, talking, being interested. And also God shows me that how you protect her, because one morning I opened the door and I said, right, get ready, we're gonna leave now. And she says, oop, and um she's in a hurry to go out, but there was a paper blowing outside. And I see her running in back again. And she asks me, and she tells me, there's someone by the door, there's someone. Woohoo! Obviously, she said, go home now.